said, come hell or high water, I was coming to get you.
This is my street, Stony Point South.
Stony Point North.
No, this is Stony Point
South.
South.
That's right.
And then we're coming around the bend, and this is just since 8 o'clock, I was told.
8:30.
8:30-ish. Look at all this snow, y'all.
Yes.
This mess is crazy, and it's still coming down.
Hard. This is a blizzard. I hope you know we're sliding.
Yeah, I know.
You know I got a little scared right there.
I was actually worried about the freeway.
Oh, the freeway I wasn't that concerned with.
Look at the whiteness, y'all. This is something else. And then my supervisor gonna laugh at me talking about
Yeah, show that ass. Well, now this is just since I left to come get you. Look at
Hold
that
on.
spot.
Look at the spot. Hold on, let's roll the window down. Since she came to get me, our spot is completely covered up. So, does this look like I needed to get home? I think that's an affirmative. Look at my front yard, completely covered with whiteness. The cars, yes, same thing. Rolling this window back up though.
Now, mind you, that's just since I left to come get you. Oh shit! Calm down, calm down.
So guys, this is what it is out in Norfolk right now. Everybody cuddle up. If you got somebody to cuddle with, get your boo love secured. Strap in for the winter weather. Check y'all out later.